Before we talk about pointers in C++, let's talk about two important operators related to pointers. The first operator is ampersand operator or address operator or address of operator. If you put this operator before a variable name, then this operator gives you address of that variable. The other operator is star. It is opposite of ampersand. If you put a star operator before an address, it gives you value at this address. So if you put this before a variable, variable gives you value, it gives you address. And if you put it before an address, it gives you value. Right? They are opposite of each other. Please note that we use ampersand and star for other purposes also in C++ programming. For example, star is used for multiplication. We are going to use star to declare pointer variables also. Similarly, ampersand is used to create reference variables. We have seen ampersand here in the examples of references. When you create a variable name and if you create a reference to this variable, you use ampersand. See, this ampersand is not ampersand operator, right? It's not the address of operator. The purpose of this ampersand is to create a reference variable. Its purpose is to tell the compiler that y is a reference variable. It is an alias to another variable. So this ampersand is for creating references. Similarly, we are going to see in the next video that we use star for creating pointer variables. So these are applications, these are some other uses of star and ampersand, but they are operators also. The purpose here was to tell the compiler that this is a reference variable. But ampersand and star are operators as well, and this program shows the operator use. We have a variable x whose value is 10. So when you create a variable in C++, right, it creates a memory location also, right? And this memory location has the value 10, right? Because we have assigned x equal to 10. So there are three things associated with the variable: its name, its value, and its address. This 10 must have been stored some address in your RAM, right? There must have been some memory allocation in your RAM, and 10 must have been stored at that memory location, right? So there are three things. And if you access x, if you simply use the variable name, it gives you the value. And if you do x equal to 5, it's going to change the value to 5. But if you want to know the address of this variable, or in other words, address where this value 10 is stored, right? So to do that, we use this ampersand operator. If I use ampersand x, I am going to get this address. When I ran it on my machine, I got this address, right? And this is some hexadecimal value, some memory location address. When you run it on your machine, you will get something different, right? It's some address. You will get some address on your machine. And when you run next time, you might get a different address, because every time you create a variable, it might allocate it to a different memory location. So ampersand operator simply gives you address of the variable. The other operator star, what we have done here is we have put ampersand here, which means we got the address of x. Now we put star before it. So when you put star before an address, it gives you value at this address. So this way we got the value 10, right? So when I put star before this address, this ampersand x gave me this address. And if I put star before it, the compiler is going to go to this address and get the value for you 10, right? So they are opposite of each other, and you can use them any number of times one after the other. If I use ampersand again, it's going to give me the same address. And if I use star one more time, it's going to give me the value 10. Right, so ampersand and star, they are opposite of each other. Ampersand operator gives you address, star operator gives you value at the given address. And ampersand and star, they are not only operators, although we have discussed here in this example only operators, but as I said earlier, ampersand is also used for reference declaration and star is also used for pointer declaration. We are going to see pointer declaration in the next video. And one more use of star is multiplication, right, which is simple arithmetic operator.